Terra Classic LUNC start quick recovering with 3.90% increase in price today. Yes, that is good because so many coins have been trading at a very low price. Some coins have actually lost 5%, 6%, and it's also in the past 7 days, though Luna have really dropped. Luna is on red in the past 7 days. And today, I think 3.90% is a fast way of Terra Classic recovery. I'm surprised because most coins are expected to maybe be right now in the past 24 hours to be gaining over 2% to 3% increase already. That is recovering fast from the recent crypto fall. Most of them are still on red, trading on red. But Terra Classic that I expected even today that Terra Classic might be hitting 5% drop in price. I'm surprised to see Terra Classic hitting 3.90%. Does it mean there is still hope for Terra Classic? Because most people have given up on Terra Classic, including me myself. The truth, I will tell you the truth, because the coin right now is just like what will happen, let it happen. Okay, yes, let it happen. But I was going to think that what is going on? I mean, why is Terra Classic pushing up so today, and why some coin, even BTC, is on red? And this is a good signal. Something can happen, you know. You can never tell. So let's just be watchful. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if this will continue. And I hope if this will continue this weekend and hit 7 to 8%, then it might be, I quote, it might be the time for Terra Classic to recover. It might be the journey back to where it was. It might be that Terra Classic are now ready to take us back to where we want to be. Well, let's just hope and see. But as of now, at the time of recording this, 3.90%. I believe it's going to hit 4% increase very soon. Before the day runs out, I believe it's going to hit 4% increase in price. Now, once and again, please, if you have been looking for ways to make money and maybe you're into cryptocurrency, into forex trading, you want to look for ways to, make some extra money online while working from home or after your job, you can work and make good profit. Please, you need to subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. And please, we are going to give you good informations, trainings that will help you make good money online. Stay tuned because I have a lot of things loaded which I'll be dropping on this channel. Yes, believe it. Something different. Something other channel have not mentioned, that you're going to make good money, good profit, your bank account, bank alert every week, every day, every month. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.